How to claim Hamster Kombat token airdrop. Do you need a gas fee? Hey everyone, in this video tutorial, we're showing you how to claim Hamster Kombat token airdrop. And I'm going to address a question that many of my subscribers have asked me in the comments section of my videos. The question is, do I need a gas fee to withdraw or receive my Hamster token into my Ton wallet? Now the answer to this question is actually no. You don't need a gas fee to receive your Hamster Kombat tokens into your Ton wallet. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do. First, it's important to understand that airdrops generally require a gas fee before depositing tokens into your wallet. However, for receiving Hamster Kombat tokens, you don't need a gas fee. Now, let's go through the steps to ensure you can receive your Hamster Kombat tokens in your Ton wallet. The first thing is to connect your Ton wallet. Make sure you've connected your wallet to your Hamster Kombat tokens. Now let's move to the Ton wallet to see how this works. As you can see, my Hamster Kombat balance is 0. Once the tokens are distributed, they'll appear here. Now once the Hamster Kombat tokens appear on your Ton wallet, just click on the token to view its details. Let's say this USDT here represents your Hamster Kombat tokens. Now let's click on the USDT as an example of Hamster Kombat tokens. Here you are going to see a bunch of different options. Now all you need to do here is to go ahead and click on Swap. You can see that right here. At the bottom, you can see where it says Receive. So go ahead and click on it just like this. Once you click on Receive, search for the currency you want to convert it to. From the search bar, just like this. Let's say you want to convert your Hamster Kombat tokens to Ton coin, for example. Now let's select the Ton coin just like this. Now, let's take for instance, this is your Hamster Kombat token, and you want to convert it to Ton coin? All you need to do here is to go ahead and input the total amount of Hamster Kombat tokens that were given to you. Let's say you received 50 Hamster Kombat tokens. All you need to do here is to input 50, just like this, and you're going to see the value of the 50 Hamster Kombat tokens in Ton. When you swap tokens, you'll see a section called Blockchain Fee. This is what is known as the gas fee. However, this fee is not required to receive Hamster Kombat tokens. It only applies when performing transactions or swaps. Now, if you have it on your balance, all you need to do is click on Buy, and you'll be able to exchange it. Once you have swapped your Hamster Kombat tokens to Ton, you can transfer them to an exchange like KuCoin or Bybit to convert them to your local currency. So to recap, you don't need a gas fee to receive your Hamster Kombat tokens in your Ton wallet. And this is how to claim Hamster Kombat token airdrop. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.